Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access Disney Plus wherever you are. So if you are in Hong Kong, UAE or Europe or any other country where Disney Plus isn't available, you can access it. So here you can see that when I go to disneyplus.com, I won't be able to access it. So when I click on login, you will see that it is not available in my region. So now if you want to access Disney Plus, all you need to do is open new tab and then search for Hola VPN Chrome extension, and then click on the top link. This is the best VPN that I have used, and you can see it has a really good rating. So all you need to do is click on add to Chrome and then click add extension. So it will take some time to verify, and now you can see that my VPN has been added. So now when I go to extensions and then click on this VPN, and then I'm going to choose the country that I want. I will choose Disney United States, and now when I click on login, you will see that I am able to access Disney Plus without any error. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.